How to fix login error in Uber Eats. First, if you're having any kinds of problem with the application or with the website, make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on the control center and turn on your Wi-Fi or cellular data to have a proper network. And by doing so, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your internet connection. However, if there's any problem regarding your logins, click on the settings, scroll down and click on general, and click on iPhone storage. Scroll down again and you want to navigate yourself to the Uber Eats application. Click on show all. It's the app we're looking for. Simply tap on Uber Eats and click on offload app. Click on offload app again and click on reinstall app. And what this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its documents and data. And the next time you open the application, you shouldn't be facing any problem regarding your login. However, if there's any other problem with the application, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave them down in the comments below.